Most cases, as far as drugs are concerned in Fort Bend County, break down to two categories. They're either possession of marijuana, which is a misdemeanor, or they're a little bit more serious. You know, people are having ecstasy or Xanax or some of those other drugs. Hydrocodone is big these days. Drugs are pervasive in our society, and usually it's kids doing it. Every now and then I'll get an adult who still smokes marijuana. But if you're a kid and you're smoking marijuana and you get busted for possession of marijuana, it can have driver's license consequences. And the most important thing to you when you're a kid is having that driver's license. But if you're convicted of a possession of marijuana case, not only do you have the court case against you, but you can also lose your driver's license. But let's think about this. Think about how a future employer 10, 20, 30 years from now is going to look at you when they do a background check and see that you smoke marijuana. They're going to think, do I want to hire this doper? Are they reliable? Are they dependable? Are they just a doper? And then will they look at somebody else and hire them instead? If you've been charged with a drug case, fortunately, Fort Bend County has something called a drug court. And this is for people who have a drug problem, who want to beat that problem. You get into drug court, and it's a long road to hoe. But if you get in there, they're going to give you counseling, and they're going to help you beat any kind of addictions you have. They're going to find out why you're doing the drugs. But at the end of it, you can have your record literally expunged as if it never happened. What I bring to the table that is very helpful to a person that's charged with a drug case, whether it's possession of marijuana or a felony of any type of drug case, is as a judge I couldn't even begin to tell you how many of those cases. And I've handled hundreds and hundreds of them as a defense lawyer and as a prosecutor. I've seen them, and then mostly there are kids coming in with the possession of marijuana. But we've done these cases for years. Don't let it ruin your life. Contact us right away, and we'll talk to you about how can we minimize this to you or how can we make it go away.